Today we're taking a look at the AutoFull M6 Ultra Plus 2.0, a high-end gaming chair designed for serious gamers, creators, and anyone who spends long hours at their desk. It features an advanced 8D dual-core lumbar massage system, climate control seat with heating, ventilation, and vibration massage, and a 160-degree reclining design for full comfort, whether you're working, gaming, or relaxing. AutoFull says it's more than just a chair. It's built as full recovery and ergonomic system to keep you comfortable and supported during long sessions. So let's get on with the unboxing, building, and trying it out. So here it goes. It's about 55.5 centimeters, 92.5 centimeters. The actual height is about 37. So let's cut right in the middle. It's like this poster card. All right, so that's the quick instruction manual. That's another be your own hero. This looks like the leg rest support, actual main upper body, and it looks very cool. And the next AutoFull cover. So there are actually two of them. Another two cover. This is the heaviest. Now this is where you could sit on. And lastly, these are just leg components. This is the battery. And inside this tiniest box, the first foundation. That is really cool. That's the power cable. All screws and Allen key. And this is just part of the base joint. And this is the core mechanical bits that will join the top and the bottom seat. Right hand side it appears. And the left hand side, this bottom most important support, pop out one of the wheels. Yeah, good quality. And how can we forget most important modern technology? This is the actual arm. That's a chrome finish. It says AutoFull on it. We've got these screws, a button here, another one here. So to summarize, these are all the parts that comes with it. Okay, that is all. Putting on wheels and push it in. Nice. And then you just place that. And then you put the cover here. Placing this cover, you can actually adjust the width depending on your weight. As you can see, it's written here, goes to the front, sliding in and then screw it back in. Okay, so let's finally make love to the leg base. There you go. So slide it in and then screws in. You just place this. And how can we forget the batteries? You can use the USB-C, directly plug it in, or through this top, and voila! Connect it together. You just magnetically join it on this side here. So here we have it, folks. Like a Formula One style of a shape, and really cool lumbar support, and strong legging as well. So why don't I actually try it out myself finally? That's so good. So let's have a bit of a fun by spinning around to give you guys a bit of a look of how it looks like overall. So by starting from the top, we got this really soft cushioning pillar, and you can't really take it out. You can pull it out, but you can easily push it in, and you can adjust the height naturally with your body movement, okay? Your shoulder could push it up and your head can pull it down. So it moves with your movement, which is very clever indeed. Now with the lumbar support, you can actually, you hear that sound, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it goes back, okay? So I guess you can, that's just a bit too much. So maybe 2, No, slightly a bit more. 4. Yeah, I think that's about it. It can actually move up and down as well. So that's very clever. Now this armrest is very unique actually. You can pull it out, push it back. Okay, so you can go in, widen it out, rotate it. So it's very flexible, isn't it? It's like you can constantly circle it around. And right below the armrest, if you press it, you can actually angle it like that. And then there's another button on the side. So if you press that, you can adjust the height as well. So there's so many different options you can play with this armrest. Now you'll notice there's a handle here. Really looks trendy, by the way. And if you pull it up, you can go, oh, that's really nice. Okay, probably the lumbar support is a bit too far away, so let's push it right back. Okay, but my legs are not comfortable yet. Therefore, what you can do is pull it out, rotate it, and right, is this a chair or a bed? It doesn't matter. So the level of adjustment for the back is very flexible. As you can see, if you want to stop it there, that's it. If you want to go slightly back, oh, okay, there's a bit of a click, but that's it. Really comfortable. And on the bottom, we got this thing here. So if you pull it down, it's very low. I actually like this. But if you have longer legs, you pull it up, and that's still fine. And the grand finale, which is 4 different functions that we have here. So this is the lumbar massage. Oh, okay. That is really good. So it's coming from here and it's rotating around like that. And actually, a guy like me, I have constant back pain, okay? So this will be very good for me. I think I'll be desperate for this all the time. Now there seems to be 3 different types of mode, or the length actually, but it's showing 3 blue bulbs. So if I press that, it seems like it's slowing down a bit. So I guess I can interpret it as different mode. Now the next one is for the okay, that's very interesting actually. So it's the seat actually vibrating. It's going voo, voo, voo. So actually let's press it again. It's like going voo, constant. I'm not quite used to this sort of massage mode, but okay. So it has a bit of a rest and go voo. Let's go for the next one. Oh, okay, so this one is like it's more calmer. I think the middle one is more constant, more impact on it, okay? So the third one is heating up your actual seat. And this is what my Mercedes seat has as well. Yep, it's heating up already. So that's a very quick response. So it's a nice settle warmth here, and this is going to be very important for me staying in this studio, because this place can be extremely cold in the middle of winter and extremely hot in the middle of summer. And the finale is the fan. Okay, so you can hear the fan noise. So let's actually relocate my mic. Right, so a few minutes has passed already. I can actually feel the coolness on the bit that my thigh has not touched on. And yeah, this will be very good actually, because I know a lot of people have negativity towards leather sort of chair in the middle of the summer, but this will basically sort things out. And yeah, it is definitely cooling up. and washing away the heat that develops between this joint here. So there you have it, folks. So not only do I finally have a gaming chair of my own that looks so cool, like a Formula One kind of style, but also it's packed with all these latest technology that you can have with any chairs. So it suits my agenda. I love objects or any gadgets that is full of all these functions that I could play with. And I guess my favorite finale position of this after a hard day work, because I've been working constantly for 3 days, is that I will do that, okay? And then maybe what I'll do is turn on the massage. Oh, I love that. I just hear a bit of a click on my back, and that's definitely something I wanted. So I hope this video helped you understand how cool this gaming chair is, or should we say ergonomic smart chair is. But if you have any queries, oh, I heard another click on it, please do comment below. And thank you very much for watching this video. This is Robot Review Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.